Welcome students to English 2250 Introduction to Creative Writing. I'm Professor Edelman and I'll be working with you during these next 8 weeks. 8 weeks is a short time to get all the writing in that I have planned for you, so please make sure that you're aware of the somewhat accelerated pace of this session and that you have time in your schedule for the work of reading and writing and conversing with your classmates. I'd like to go over a few things to help you get launched. One of them will be, of course, looking at the syllabus. So if you click here, you will see that you are able to access the syllabus, the full document here. Click this open and you will have everything that you need to know in order to work on assignments and know some of the expectations that I have for you. So you'll be able to peruse this document on your own, and I suggest that you do that right away. It has information on the course objectives, the course description, on basic things about College of DuPage, expectations for students, withdrawal, incomplete, academic honesty, those kinds of things that you'll need to be familiar with. Another tab that's going to be very important will be to start with units. And when you look at units and click on this tab, you will see all of the organization of this class laid out for you from the beginning, so you can take a look at it right away and get familiar with the coursework. And you'll be working your way from Unit 1, Introductions, all the way down to the final unit, which is 11, and a final reflection. So click on these units on that link and you will see all of the reading and writing assignments. When you see discussion board, that's where you'll click and you will post your work here in the discussion board. So units is a very important tab. Similarly, due dates is going to be important, and you want to keep track of every time that something is due for your post, your writing, and when you will be getting responses into classmates. This is because we are doing 11 units in 8 weeks. The pace will be a little bit uneven, and you'll have to make sure that you are keeping track of the date, because I could not organize this by having something assigned every Wednesday and then having it due every Saturday. We have to work at a bit more of an accelerated pace, so please take note. You will see all of the due dates here. You will not see the due dates in the units. So when it says post your memory poem, when you're in the unit, you'll have to come back out to the due date tab to see when that's due. And then there's a number of other tabs that are going to become important as we work through the material, but syllabus, units, and due dates are where you need to get started. I look forward to working with you, and I will be in touch with you via this kind of video communication. I'm available for Zoom office hours during this semester of remote learning. And if you guys would like to get to know each other, we could also schedule a Zoom session where everybody meets. This is an asynchronous class, meaning that we do not meet at the same time ever according to the schedule. You do have due dates, so it's not a self-paced class, but we don't meet up as a group other than on the discussion board. However, we could arrange a couple of group meetings or writing sessions, and we'll just check in with each other about the desirability of that. And then as I sent an email out, you already, I hope, have the Creative Writer's Handbook, which is the one and only text that you will need to purchase for this class. So, looking forward to working with you, and look forward to reading your writing.